Hello there. Ever pondered how your life might be changed by mind-blowing innovations? Inquisitive to see what groundbreaking advancements are on the skyline. Stay tuned to reveal the game changers that you won't need to miss. Now, let's dive in. XIAOMI Wireless AR Glass. The XIAOMI Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition is a pioneering advancement in blending the realms of virtual and reality. With a seamless wireless AR connection, it pairs effortlessly with smartphones, offering unparalleled freedom. Featuring retina-level near-eye displays, it fosters immersive experiences with modes like immersive and exploration, allowing complete immersion in virtual spaces. Its self-developed AR gesture control enables precise spatial interaction, empowering users to interact seamlessly with virtual objects. Redefining boundaries, it combines advanced innovation with everyday life, promising a journey into the virtual world like never before. BENTSAI 6205 Handheld Printer. Introducing the BENTSAI 6205 Handheld Printer, a modern-era inkjet printer revolutionizing labeling tasks. Designed for versatility, it effortlessly prints small character text, expiry dates, QR codes, barcodes, and logos on any surface. With an impressive battery life lasting over 16 hours, it enables continuous printing for enhanced efficiency. Equipped with advanced features such as photoelectric sensors and transport networks, it offers seamless integration into various workflows. Its adjustable print speed and precision cater to different printing needs, eliminating the hassle of hand labeling. From cardboard to metal, it prints on nearly any surface, unlocking limitless application potential. The BENTSAI 6205 handheld printer is a game-changer for businesses seeking efficient and precise labeling solutions, offering unparalleled convenience and flexibility. ECOFLOW Blade Robotic. The ECOFLOW Blade Robotic Mower redefines garden maintenance with cutting-edge technology. Unlike standard mowers, it uses state-of-the-art features such as optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS to scan and navigate your garden autonomously, ensuring efficient mowing while avoiding obstacles. With the optional yard sweeper kit, it can also clean up debris, enhancing its utility. What sets it apart is its hassle-free operation, no boundary or cable installation required. Through the ECOFLOW app, users can easily set mowing boundaries, adjust cutting height, and monitor battery life from their smartphones. Capable of climbing slopes up to 27 degrees and boasting a wide cutting width, it offers versatility and efficiency. For a limited time, it's available for $2,649, or with the grass sweeper kit for $3,199, offering a convenient and advanced solution for lawn maintenance. The Minimal Phone. The Minimal Phone is not just a device. It represents a movement towards intentional and mindful use of technology. With its e-display, full QWERTY keyboard, and Android OS, it embodies essential smartphone features on a platform promoting productivity over procrastination. The e-ink display offers glare-free readability, reducing eye strain during prolonged use, while the full QWERTY keyboard provides tactile feedback for fast, accurate typing. With dimensions of 70mm width and a 3.5-inch size, it ensures comfortable typing and easy readability. Powered by Android 14, it grants access to essential apps, maintaining productivity without distractions. From 12MP rear and 8MP front cameras to NFC capabilities and a 4,000 mAh battery, it offers a comprehensive smartphone experience. In a world dominated by social media, the Minimal Phone provides an escape, encouraging users to focus on essential tasks and live life intentionally. VOIXATCH. The VOIXATCH is an innovative smartwatch integrating smartphone and smartwatch capabilities in one elegant device. It allows calling, texting, GPS, and web browsing without a phone, thanks to its cellular SIM card slot. The detachable bezel transforms into a Bluetooth headset for hands-free calls, ensuring connectivity on the go. With customizable bezel colors and a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, It combines style with functionality. Waterproof and priced at $99 on Kickstarter, it offers an affordable and versatile solution for staying connected. Designed by experts leveraging ARM Cortex-M CPU and Qualcomm Bluetooth 5 technology, it guarantees exceptional quality. With health sensors and customizable designs, VOIXATCH redefines the smartwatch experience, making life easier and more connected for users. UGOT Robotic Kit. The UGOT Robotic Kit is a groundbreaking combination of innovation and creativity, enabling users to build 7 different robots with a single kit. Its intelligent handle piece and modular architecture simplify the building and customization process, making it accessible for users of all levels. Additionally, users have the option to integrate open-source hardware and third-party parts for further personalization. More than just a toy, the UGOT Robotic Kit serves as a tool for learning, offering an educational experience beyond simple entertainment. Equipped with an onboard computer featuring integrated CPU, GPU, and neural processing unit chips, users can access advanced AI features like bionic mobility, speech recognition, and gesture detection. With Python and graphical user interface support, users can build their own models and algorithms. Alarm Stop Sleep. The Alarm Stop Sleep system revolutionizes mornings by simulating sunrise with gradually increasing light brightness and color temperature. By sensing with your circadian rhythm, it promotes alertness and mood enhancement, supported by studies showing the benefits of light exposure before waking. Its vibrating bracelet gently wakes you up at the optimal time, avoiding the jarring sound of traditional alarms for a quiet awakening. Equipped with sleep tracking and SNS features, the Alarm Stop Sleep app provides insights into sleep quality and offers personalized recommendations for better sleep hygiene. Priced at $199.99 for a limited period, it's the perfect solution for those who struggle with traditional alarms, snoozing, or waking up feeling groggy, promising a better night's sleep and a refreshed start to the day. AIRSPEEDER Mk4. The AIRSPEEDER Mk4 is a hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that reaches a maximum speed of 225 meters per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest of its kind. With a range of 300 kilometers on a single charge and handling comparable to a Formula One race car, it represents a significant advancement in aerial mobility. Weighing only 950 kilograms, but boasting a power output of up to 1,340 horsepower, the AIRSPEEDER Mk4 is more than just a vehicle. It's a game-changer in the world of motorsport. With the first grand races set to commence in 2024, this flying wonder offers a glimpse into the future of transportation. Depending on customization options, $1.5 million to $1.7 million. Offering an opportunity to be part of history in the making. PESA H2 LOCO. The PESA H2 LOCO is an innovative shunting train powered by hydrogen fuel cells, representing a significant leap in environmentally friendly rail technology. Capable of pulling trains weighing up to 3,200 tons at a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, it offers remarkable performance without emitting any pollutants. Equipped with autonomous driving and anti-collision systems, it ensures safe and efficient operations in green ports and intermodal terminals. With a sleek modern design and a centrally located driver's seat, it combines functionality with aesthetics. Set to hit the market in 2024, the PESA H2 LOCO is priced at approximately $5 million, offering an eco-conscious and reliable solution for shunting locomotives. CYBSDF Hydroponics Growing System. The CYBSDF Hydroponics Growing System offers an innovative solution for indoor gardening. Utilizing advanced SMD LED technology with full-spectrum light, its 159 liters ED 35-watt grow light accelerates plant growth by 5x, ensuring faster and healthier development even in winter. Featuring a quiet auto water circulation system, it provides optimal oxygen and nutrient delivery to roots, promoting robust plant growth. With an ultra-large 4 liters water tank and included nutrients, it offers 18 days of autonomous growth with just one watering. The extendable rod allows for versatile cultivation, enabling the growth of various plants. Included with the system are essential accessories and a 360-day warranty for peace of mind. NAVATIEE Collapsible Folding Wagon. The NAVATIEE Collapsible Folding Wagon is a sturdy and versatile companion for outdoor activities. Built with a high-strength steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, it can carry up to 220 lbs without buckling. Equipped with locking brakes and PVC all-terrain wheels, it ensures stability and smooth movement on various surfaces. Its fold-flat design allows for easy storage and transport, weighing only 23 pounds. With additional features such as a side pocket, mesh cup holders, and an ergonomic handle, it offers convenience and practicality for outdoor adventures. Whether for beach trips, camping, or grocery shopping, this wagon simplifies carrying heavy loads and enhances outdoor experiences. PAWSWING Purring Automatic Cat Self-Groomer. The PAWSWING Purring Automatic Cat Self-Groomer is a revolutionary grooming device designed to elevate cats' grooming experience while promoting health and happiness. With biomimetic cat tongue brushes and an intelligent treat dispenser, it provides comprehensive 360-degree grooming care. Featuring 6 grooming rollers imitating a mother cat's grooming method, it effectively reduces shedding and minimizes hairball issues, ensuring a healthy, shiny coat for feline friends. With its automated operation and advanced biological sensor, it tracks grooming activity and dispenses treats, enticing cats to indulge in self-grooming sessions. From reducing indoor cat hair to boosting overall well-being, PAWSWING revolutionizes cats' grooming routines, offering convenience and comfort for both pets and owners alike. Time to bid farewell, innovators. Which amazing invention inspired you the most? Share your thoughts below, and stay tuned for more life-changing discoveries.